So sorry about that, I'm back now, part 2, continuing on. I've replaced a couple there. So I mentioned my torque wrench actually, which I was saying 50 foot-pounds. It actually goes up to 150 foot-pounds on this one, but as I say, I'm using about 22.4 foot-pounds as it was 30 newton-meters in specification from Aprilia on the nuts on the front disc. So I'll continue on here, just taking this one off. There we go. Don't know if that had Loctite on before, but maybe it did. Maybe that's the discoloration there. Seem to be all correct torques, which is good. Let's put a little bit of 243 Loctite. It's spot on. I'm replacing other ones here as well. And the caliper's just got those on order. The two ones they're M10s and by 55. So I've got those coming in black actually, because the titanium ones was black A2 steel. Titanium ones are ridiculous money, but black would look nice on there. So I've also replaced these as well with the correct size of the cap Allen key bolts. Let's check that one. I can't remember now if I did it. Pretty sure I tightened it. Where are we? That's it. Yep. Good. Right, well I'll leave it at that. Thanks for watching. Hopefully it's helped just a little bit. Show these things can be done. I know it's very simple really, but it's all worth getting it correct. I think it's a big improvement on the obviously rusted bolts now. It certainly looks better overall, easy to undo and do up and whatever. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.